Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the topic on which we are going to discuss is theorem 15.1.1 of mathematics 9 Chrome science. This theorem is called Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the length of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the lengths of the other two sides. It's given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle C is a right angle of triangle ABC. The sides of triangle ABC, side BC equal to A, side AC equal to B, and side AB equal to C. It's proof by using Pythagoras theorem. The square of the side AB is equal to the square of the side AC plus the square of the side BC, or C square is equal to A square plus B square. Its construction: draw CD perpendicular from C on AB. Let side CD equal to H, side AD equal to X, and side BD equal to Y. Line segment CD split triangle ABC into two triangles, triangle ADC and triangle BDC. Its proof have divided into three parts. In part 1, how can we find out the value of x? In corresponding of two triangles are similar if their angles are congruent, means angle A congruent angle A, angle ADC congruent angle ACB, angle C congruent angle B, and their corresponding sides are proportional, means measure AD over AC is equal to measure DC over CB is equal to measure CA over BA. Then triangle ADC is similar to triangle ACB. For finding x, we take side AD over DC is equal to side CA over BA. We know that side AD is equal to x and side AC is equal to B. Side CA is equal to B and side BA is equal to C. Then x over B is equal to B over C, implies that x is equal to B square over C. By definition, two triangles are called similar if they are equal angles and measure of their corresponding sides are proportional. For example, two triangles are similar, triangle ADC and triangle ACB, if their angles, angle A congruent angle A, angle ADC congruent angle ACB, angle C congruent angle B, and their corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangle ACD and triangle ACB are similar. In corresponding to triangles, triangle ADC similar corresponding triangle ACB, if angle A congruent angle A, angle ADC congruent angle ACB, angle C congruent angle B. Then these two triangles are similar, triangle ADC, similar triangle ACB. For finding x, we use the equation AD over AC is equal to CA over BA, or x over B is equal to B over C, implies that x is equal to B square over C. In part 2, how can we find out the value of y? In corresponding up to triangle, triangle BDC corresponding triangle BCA, if angle B congruent angle B, angle BDC congruent angle BCA, angle C congruent angle A, then the two triangles, triangle BDC is similar to the triangle BCA. For finding the value of y, we use the proportionality of corresponding side of the two similar triangles. Side BD over BC is equal to side CB over AB, or y over A is equal to A over C, implies that y is equal to A square over C. In correspondence of two triangles, triangle BDC corresponding to triangle BCA, two triangles are similar if angle B congruent angle B, angle BDC congruent angle BCA, angle C congruent angle A, and their corresponding sides are proportionals, means measure BD over measure BC is equal to measure DC over measure CA is equal to measure CB over measure AB. Then two triangles triangle BDC is similar to the triangle BCA. For finding the value of y, we use the two proportional. Measure BD over measure BC is equal to measure CB over measure AB, or y over A is equal to A over C, implies that y is equal to A square over C. In part 3, we can find the value of C. Where x is equal to B square over C, while y is equal to A square over C. In supposition C is equal to x plus y, C is equal to B square over C plus A square over C, so C is equal to A square plus B square, which is the proof of theorem 15.1.1. Question 6, part 1 of exercise 15 in triangles ABC as shown in figure. Right angle C and CD perpendicular to the AB. Find the length A, H and B if BD side is 5 units and AD side is 7 units. Improve part 1. Value of B can be find out instead of value of X by using the proportionality of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Similarly, value of H can also be find out by the proportionality of corresponding sides of the similar triangles. By using the proof part 2, value of A is find out instead of value of Y. Also the value of H is 0.65 multiplied by B. This can also be find out by the proportionality of corresponding sides of similar triangles. So the value of B is 9.165 unit and the value of A is 7.746 unit. So the value of H becomes, by putting the value of A, 5.92 units.